ahead and fix this water diverter. There we go. As you can see, the pipe had actually broken off the fixture itself. The water diverter actually broke off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is on the other side of this wall, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this sheetrock to gain access to that pipe. And the reason why I do that is because of this. Whenever I go to connect the coupling, this just wants to move a little too much. So I want to be able to hold that in place, pushing the coupling on with the glue while I'm making it so that I can hold the back side of it. But also what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this pipe going in some, that way the coupling will be recessed into the wall. So time to cut the sheetrock and get after it. Alright, time for the big reveal. Let's see what's inside. Oh Lord. Well, that's interesting. Wow. Well. So there's that. Interesting. Well, all right. All right, there we go. It's all installed. As you can see, here's actually the silicone. I went ahead and let Sweetie Pie silicone it. Ran a bead all the way around, smoothed it out, flushed to the wall. So this is all done. Now let's take a look at the other side. So here we go on the back side. Everything is glued together and shimming it back out. That way it sit flush to the wall, and there we go. So what I'll probably end up doing is taking a couple of pieces of something, I don't know what yet, but just to be able to put that piece of sheetrock back on. Actually, I'll probably just pop in, just pressure fit really. But what I may do is put a couple of paint sticks, stir sticks on the inside. That way I can just pop it into place. It won't fall in. And then if I need to take it out, I'll just have a little sheetrock screw to be able to pull it back out. But I'm gonna leave it off for right now. Now the glue says 20 minutes before handling, and then 2 hours before pressure testing. So I figure what we'll do is it says 2 hours, but we're gonna wait minimum 4 hours. It's already late at night, so won't be running any water in here tonight, but we'll find out, and we'll test it out and see if any leaks. Hopefully not. Now, one thing in particular I did do as a little extra precautionary measure, I guess you could say, even after all the fittings were glued together, what I did was I actually, once they're glued together on the outside, I actually ran extra glue just to kind of give it almost like a little extra backup of grip. So I don't know if other people do that or not, but I do that, so it doesn't hurt. So there we go. Alright, see what ends up happening. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned.